Ukulele lesson for beginners number 5, strumming. First, let's talk about the most simple way to strum, which is to use your thumb like this. And you can just practice by strumming all the strings like this. When we do strumming, we're playing chords. That means we're playing more than one note or one string at the same time. If you want it to sound nice while you strum, you can go ahead and just play a C major chord. C major is when you play the 3rd fret down here on the bottom string. 1, 2, 3. You can use your pointer finger. It really helps to have a strap, so I recommend making one. In one of my previous videos, I showed how you can make one out of duct tape. You can also strum with your pointer finger and thumb. It's like you pretend that you're holding a pick like this, and you just strum down with the back of your pointer fingernail like this. The other way that I like to strum is by using a guitar pick, and you're going to hold the pointy part pointing at the ukulele. You can hold that between your pointer finger and thumb, or you can use your pointer, middle, and thumb like that. One thing that I don't like about using my thumb is that it's difficult to strum up, because there are 2 ways you can strum. You can strum down, and you can strum up. And it's just a little bit awkward to flick your wrist up like that to strum with your thumb. So I recommend using the pretend you're holding a pick method, and when you strum down, you use your pointer finger, fingernail, and then when you strum up, you use your thumb. It's a very similar motion. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Let's try that a little bit faster. That's called a strum pattern. You can also count it like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Have fun.